Amir Khan agreed to do this movie without even knowing what his role was. That is the power of Rajni sir.
Amir Khan was very amazing. It was a very big twist. बहुत suspense था movie में.
Yenna Raskala Thalai was super fantastic, amazing.
This movie will never be even close to what Rajni sir's movie is. This movie you wait and watch. It is going to be a big super hit.
Still, we have like huge Thalaiva fans in Mumbai, and yeah.
I saw you morning, you were very excited. Now you came out of the movie. Tell us something, what makes him such a very big superstar?
He is a super duper star. He's like God to all of us. We are all South Indian Chennai people, but his fame is everywhere. International, national, international, everyone knows him. You go to Japan, this movie will be a super hit. So he is not just superstar, he's God for us.
Completed 50 years. Tell us his journey during these 50 years.
I think he started with being with a very small black and white movie at one point in time. He was picked up because of his style, and his style has carried him throughout. Even in this movie, there is so much. It's filled with all his signature styles, and that is what we all fans come to watch. I every time the movie happens, I buy the ticket first day, first show, first thing in the morning. Even if it's at 4 in the morning, I am there. So it's an amazing experience, and we watch him, and when we see him, we just feel so emotional and so happy that feeling will not come with anybody else.
Apart from the movie, how was the direction and the BGM part?
The direction was very good, very noir feels, so very modern, contemporary, and brings Rajni sir out like anything. I think his fame there is a reason why he's so famous. Background music, Anirudh is awesome. His entry itself was a very big strong point. I'm going to listen to that song so many times. So Anirudh is amazing.
There were big collab. Hindi superstar Amir Khan, Rajnikant, the Tamil superstar, the overall superstar. How do you see this collab?
Amir Khan agreed to do this movie without even knowing what his role was. That is the power of Rajni sir. Everybody just dies to do roles with him. All these superstars are extremely fortunate to get an opportunity to work with him, and he ensures that he respects every single star who works with him, whether they are superstars or whether they are people on the set. He is absolutely humble. He's amazing, and the movie was absolutely fabulous. I have no words.
There is also a healthy competition with War 2. Hrithik Roshan is such a charming person, we all know. How do you see the healthy competition?
There is no competition, sir. I'll be very honest. Rajni sir is Rajni sir. He's somewhere else. There is absolutely no competition between the two movies. This movie will never be even close to what Rajni sir's movie is. This movie you wait and watch. It is going to be a big super hit.
What makes Rajni sir such a big star? 4 a.m. and there was a dhol, nagada. What makes him such a big star?
I mean, he's epic in himself, right? So it's amazing. He's a real god to the fans which are following him from years. So real inspiration, and it's great to see him, and we want to see him more. So the less we get, the more we want him.
He also completed 50 years. During these 50 years, what makes him such a very big star, apart from acting and all?
His style which he's carried from years, is his legacy. So I think that's the takeaway, the style.
What would you like to say about the review of the movie?
It's nice. It's 5-star rating for.
First half, second half, what was big?
Oh, there's no distinction. All is perfect. The whole movie. Each minute is great. My friend will tell you what.
She told me. Now you have to tell me.
Keep watching movies. Keep enjoying life.
खास बात तो सेलिब्रेशन होता है यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा, बट आज बारिश होने के बावजूद इतना सेलिब्रेशन नहीं हो पाया. अभी देख रहे हो आप, आवाज़ आ रहा है पीछे बैकग्राउंड से. यहाँ पे अभी सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. सो वी स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग नाउ ऑल्सो. आपने तो मूवी ऑल्सो.
मूवी में सबसे खास बात क्या है? कोई ऐसी बात जो आपको एक रहती है ना, लर्निंग. इस मूवी से लर्निंग क्या है?
लर्निंग डैड एंड डॉटर का रिलेशनशिप जो था, वेरी इमोशनल प्लस सेंटीमेंट था. एट द एंड भी उन्होंने उनका डॉटर का साथ नहीं छोड़ा, बट उनके डॉटर को पता भी नहीं चला कि वो ही उनके डैड है करके. वो लास्ट में बोलती है कि क्या मैं अंकल बोलूँ आपको. तो वो एकदम इमोशनल फीलिंग था जब जाके वो डैड बोलनी चाहिए बट उसने अंकल बोला.
श्रुति हसन कैसी लग रही थी एज अ डॉटर? हाउ शी प्लेड एंड हाउ वाज आमिर खान?
आमिर खान वॉज वेरी अमेजिंग. इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग ट्विस्ट. बहुत सस्पेंस था मूवी में. आमिर खान जब लास्ट में आया तो वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग बैड अबाउट हिम बट लास्ट में ही केम विद रजनी सर.
रजनी सर completed 50 years. What makes him such a very big star? क्योंकि 4 बजे भी उठ के आना, हम देख रहे थे 4 बजे लोग आ रहे थे. ये जो क्रेजीनेस है ये 50 इयर्स में क्या बनाता है उनको इतना बड़ा स्टार?
उनका एक्ट, उनका हम्बलनेस बाय पर्सन. ही इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड प्लस वेरी हम्बल बाय पर्सन. एंड उनको जो स्क्रीन में देखते हैं वो कुछ अलग ही लेवल का एंजॉय करते हैं हम लोग. वो हमारा हैप्पीनेस है उनको देखने के लिए. शायद बचपन से मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया था कि रजनीकांत सर इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट मैन. सो इट इज़ इन बिल्ट इन आवर ब्लड. थैंक यू.
Sorry. Yenna Raskala Thalai was super fantastic, amazing.
What makes him such a big superstar?
You can't explain. I think his fans make him such a big superstar because you don't see such crazy people waiting at 4:30 for his movie. I have my best friend with me, like, who's been like huge fan of his, like, and because of her we come for the movie. So, no one can beat this stardom. No one in the world. No.
How many stars would you like to give?
रजनी है यार. उसको 6 स्टार दो, 7 स्टार दो. How does it matter? People are watching for रजनीकांत.
हाँ, मूवी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
तलाइवा के लिए अगर तलाइवा की एक्टिंग कैसी लगी?
हाँ, मस्त है. सब मिलके बहुत अच्छा है.
5 में से कितना स्टार दोगे?
हाँ, मतलब 5 of 5. सुपरस्टार.
Make Talaiva such a big superstar? Because he just completed 50 years. What makes him such a big superstar? क्योंकि 4 बजे भी आके देखना is a very big thing.
His acting, his aura itself on screen, it really captivates you. It is really, like it gives you the aura slash, and you can't take your eyes off of him when he's on screen and performing along with his style. It really catches up.
Do you think now, apart from Tamil, Telugu audience, do you think Hindi audience is going to because there is a healthy competition between War and Coolie? Do you think Hindi audience will the Coolie win in the Hindi audience?
Well, that is that is kind of like an it can be an argument in that case because if North Indian films is released in Tamil dub, like in Tamil dub version in South India, we can't like expect much, na? But still, we have like huge Talaiva fans in Mumbai, and yeah.
खास बात क्या थी मूवी में? अगर पूरी मूवी को अगर
Style, and it is the aura of all the South Indian along with Amir Khan's acting all in one screen, and it gives you like a overall like multiverse kind of feel.
collab between Amir and Talaiva.
Indian actors, yes.
How was it? Shruti Hassan was
Yeah, it was good. You have to watch it. You have to, because I can't like explain everything. You have to watch it to feel it.
How was the BGM? Because in the trailer also.
Amazing. It was amazing. I wouldn't say the best part was BGM, but it really added on to things. Yeah.
5 out of how many stars? To Amir Khan.
To Amir Khan. I'll go with Talaiva's acting. He was like, I would give 10 out of 5. Like 5, I would give 10. For Amir Khan's acting, I would give 10. All of the actors, I would give 10. Yeah.
Since Rajni sir 50 years, क्या कहना चाहोगे?
इसके बाद सुपर Amir Khan act say fitness, health wise, acting, super.
Thank you, ma'am.